Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take collagen and glutathione. First, let's focus on collagen. It's vital for healthy skin, hair, and joints. When selecting a supplement, opt for hydrolyzed collagen peptides, as they are more easily absorbed by your body. A common daily dosage ranges from 5 to 15 grams, depending on your individual needs and goals. There are several easy ways to incorporate collagen into your routine. Many people prefer mixing collagen powder into their morning coffee, tea, or a favorite smoothie. If you're looking for more convenience, collagen capsules are an excellent option. Remember, consistency is crucial for seeing results, so try to take it around the same time each day. Now, let's turn our attention to glutathione, often called the master antioxidant. It plays a crucial role in supporting overall cellular health and detoxification. When choosing a supplement, look for highly bioavailable forms, such as liposomal glutathione, to ensure your body can effectively utilize it. A common daily dosage is between 250 and 500 milligrams. Combining collagen and glutathione can offer synergistic benefits for your skin and overall well-being. While there's no strict rule, some find taking them with a meal aids absorption. Remember, individual needs vary, so it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice to ensure you achieve the best possible results safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.